pretty cool. I wonder if that's real chocolate.
Dark chocolate orange, yeah. We've just been around and there was a chocolate on each thingy and you had one chocolate each from it, so we started eating them. Way too much chocolate, so I've just stuffed Richie's pocket with them instead.
Hopefully I don't get searched on the way out.
So this is one street down from our hotel. And that is our little shop of choice over there for beer and souvenirs.
Central Shop it's called.
What's it called?
Central Shop.
Central Shop. We've just been in Sean Lodge Asian, which I've had my eye on for a wee while, and it was delicious. I then also discovered this on my very first night here, and it is awesome. Plays all the Premier League football games. Yes, lush staff, absolutely mega friendly and welcome every time we come in now. And this is the nice little cobbled street that we walk along. It's pretty cool.
Don't forget the kebab shop.
Oh jeez, yeah. When I get there. And we love kebab. You can't get it in Canada. And this is our wee kebab shop. And it's lush, and they also know us in there as well, actually. There he is. He's not looking. And this one, like I say, the little souvenir shop, beer shop. Actually, we're going to pop me here for 2 beers. And guy was so helpful because I needed an extra hold all. So helpful in here as well. Great souvenirs. Decent price. Central stop. And there's my friend who helped me out to find an extra hold all. Thank you so much.